Hi, in this screencast we're going to introduce a web language that is specifically designed to help decorate web pages, and it's called CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Almost every website you see today use CSS to some degree to help make their web page a better looking place for visitors, to attract visitors. Okay, and so what does the name stand for? What is it styling? It's actually styling the HTML tags. So CSS accompanies HTML, so it makes the tag HTML tags look more beautiful, I would say. Okay, and before CSS came out, everything was laid out using nested tables. There is actually one video in ogsolution.com that uses nested table layout. That video was just to show you what it was like before CSS. Okay, so if you want to build a simple website, your HTML source code would be complicated and hard to read because they're all nested tables. Okay, but when CSS came out, same effect can be done in a lot less code and a lot less complication. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like right now on the internet and what's CSS doing. So let's just look at ogsolution.com. A lot of the background images, like you see here at the top, it's actually just one background image being repeated horizontally, and you can achieve that effect by applying CSS. Okay, the font color, like you see here, uses CSS. Okay, this image, okay, when you mouse over this image, it changes image actually, and it's also done by CSS. Okay, all these text colors, the indentation, okay, and the arrow accompanying the list, as you can see here, the category links, this is actually a list using the li tag. Okay, same here. Okay, so the menu is actually achieved by CSS. Okay, and also the organization of this post. Okay, when you mouse over, the color changes. This is all done by CSS. Okay, the layout of the web page and the layout of the text, a lot of it depends on CSS to create the look and feel of this site. Okay, let's go to something else. Let's go to ebay.com. Okay, ebay.com, as you can see, a lot of CSS was applied to create the look and feel, okay, and the layout of this. Okay, of course there are other languages involved in making this site functional, okay, including JavaScript or their server-side language. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the box you see, okay, something like this, may be laid out by CSS. Okay, or at least positioning of it. Okay, you see the columns like that, this content column like that. Okay, this are all maybe actually produced by CSS. Okay, and that's the basics of CSS, and that's it for this screencast. Thank you.